Okay, so welcome to my IIT Mathematics Integration Part 2. And right now here I'm sharing the screen. It's a full screen with students, audio and video. Right, welcome to the class. So this is IIT Advanced Level problem of integration, the 12th problem. Integration sec square x into cosec square x into dx is equals to f of x minus g of x plus c. We have to solve it. Then we have to inquire who is f of x and minus with of g of x and who is g of x. So I'm taking this question on my sheet. Can you see this problem? What is the question? Kumar?
So integration of x square x into cos x square x dx is equals to f of x minus g of x plus b.
Very good. So we have to just evaluate this part. Okay.
Yes.
So integration of, I'll take a red pen. Integration of secant square x can be written as 1 by cos square x.
Yes, sir.
Into cosecant square is 1 by sine square x into dx. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
The same thing can be written as 1 by sine square x or sine square x plus cos square x, not plus, not plus. One by cos square x into sine square x into dx. So how can we evaluate this integration as sum or difference of two functions? You know that what is 1? 1 is cos square x plus sine square x. That is equals to 1 by cos square x into sine square x into dx. So you can rewrite this same term to separating denominators. So it will be 1 by sine square x plus 1 by cos square x. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
To dx. So now this is totally becomes 1 upon integration of 1 upon, not 1 upon, integration of cosecant square x into dx plus integration of secant square x into dx. So now please tell me what is the definition of cosecant square x integration? What is the integration of cosecant square x?
Cosec square x.
Cosecant square x. What is the integration of cosec square x?
So 2 cot. No.
What is the integration of cosec square x? Do we have this formula? If you open and look back, your previous list of formulas. So these list of
Minus cot x plus c.
no. So it is integration of cosec x is log cosec x minus cot x. Cosec x into cot x is minus cosec x. No, even these are the square x minus integration of secant square h. It is hyperbolic functions. Now you got which is
Minus cot x plus c.
integration of secant square is tan x. Integration of cosecant square is minus cot x. Okay? Because integration of minus cot x is cosec square x. Integration of derivative of tan x is x square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. So now you can come to here. So what is this? It is minus cot x plus it is tan x plus c. So one can write it as tan x minus cot x plus c. If you equate this to f of x minus g of x plus c, So you can compare here f of x is equals to tan x and g of x is equals to cot x. It is not minus cot x, it is cot x because minus already is there. So if you get back your places, so what is the question here? G of f of x is tan x, g of x is cot x. Okay, and that's true or wrong. So what is the 13 one? What is the first one? First statement. Integration of e power 5x into dx.
dx is equals to e power
E power
5x.
5x. E power ax integration, do you know e power ax into dx is equals to e power ax, and ax derivative is in the denominator. But this is the same formula. In the derivative, it goes to multiplication, but in the denominator, this is in the integration. Okay. So it is the same logic. Same logic. Here integration of e power ax plus b. Whatever the e power x or e power f of x derivative is, e power f of x only by f dash x. Ax plus b derivative is a only, and plus c. Plus c. Both statements are true. Both statements are true. Clear?
Yes.
So next, it is a comprehension type question. Okay. So this is integration of sine cube x by sine square x into cos square x into dx. Is it right? Is there any plus minus? There is no plus minus. Okay. So there is no plus minus. It is sine cube x by so and so. Okay. So what happens here? It will comes integration of sine square and sine cube get cancelled. It will be sine x by cos square x into dx, and this could be integration of, it will be tan x into sec x into tan x, which is tan x into sec x into dx. Integration of tan x into sec x or integration sec x tan x. Again, you have to get back to your formulas list. What is the integration of sec x tan x product? There is one formula. What is the integration of sec x into tan x? Can you see problem formula number 10? What is the formula number 10?
Integration of sec x into tan x is equals to sec x.
Sec x plus c. Integration of sec x tan x is equals to sec x
Sec
plus
x plus c.
Okay. So here your result will be sec x plus c.
Okay.
Okay. So for that purpose, you need to remember each and every formula. So here, in order to solve these problems, I am going to repeatedly to the list of formulas. No problem. It is a practice session. It is not your IIT
Okay.
exam. So while watching repeatedly, you can understand the problems. Okay. And can you solve this problem? Integration of 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 by x square into dx. Okay, please solve this problem. अब इस problem को solve करो. How can we do solve?
2x plus 3. Sir, we first we will multiply.
Multiply. Please guide me. Whatever you say, I will write on the screen. Okay.
Okay.
Integration.
6x square
Very good. 6x
minus
square.
minus 4x
Mm-hmm.
plus 6x
Mm-hmm.
minus 6.
Repeat. Mistake. Please cross check after your
Plus 9x. Plus
yes.
9.
They are the common mistake. Plus 9x
Plus
minus
9x
6.
minus 6.
Now here you have to make it is 6x square
6x
plus.
minus 6. Minus 6.
Okay. Next, please confirm the next. What is next? How to bifurcate the denominator to numerator term? You have to give the answer. I will not write anything.
So we'll take x common.
Okay. Why x common? What are
So
the
to
answer types?
okay.
Please tell
So
me.
for or else we'll integrate.
How can you integrate directly? Send the denominator to each and every numerator. It goes to 6
Ah,
plus 5 by x minus 6 by x square.
yes.
Okay, you have to provide the answers, not yes. Okay.
Oh,
You should be proactive in solving these problems. They are the elementary problems. Even you are in the 10th standard, no problem. You have to attack the problems. Okay. And what is the next answer? What is the next answer? What is the next answer? What is the derivative of 6?
1. So but for set x.
6 into x. It is
Ah, 6
6x
into x.
plus 1 upon x integration. 1 upon x integration is 5 log
5 log x.
mod x. Okay.
5 log mod x.
Uh, and x power minus 6 by x square. It is 1 upon x square means minus 6 into x power minus 2. Its integration is minus 6 into x power minus 1 by minus 1. That is plus 1 by 6x plus 6 by x plus 6 by x
8.
plus c. So who is the answer? Option number B. Okay. So it is important while doing, see why he given the minus 6 by x as an option, because you might do mistake in this taking minus 1. Already minus is there in the problem. So you have to get it is a minus into minus plus 6 by x. So most of other students might go with this or might go 6x is there, 6x is there. You can search the problem in 6x here only. So it is a problem. So please try to understand each and everything. If you make mistake 6x, 6 minus 4, you can write this is also right option.
Yes.
Okay. So 15 is completed, 14 is completed. So next, so what is the 16? Integration of sine square x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Okay. Integration of sine square x by 1
1
plus
plus cos
cos
x.
square x. Integration of sine square x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Now, what is the answer here? So tell me, how can we simplify first? Sine square x, 1 by 1 plus cos x. The answers are x and sine x, like
Yes.
that. How can we simplify?
1 plus
I know the answer. I know the answer. See, in Telugu, have you ever seen that movie Anji? Diler in Telugu, in Hindi it is Diler movie, I think. That is the Chiranjeevi movie. I said this example previously also in my offline class. Do you know? Okay. Physical eye, no. Manonetram means think with your brain. Okay. మానవనేత్రం కాదు మనోనేత్రం తోటి ఆలోచన చేయాలి. Okay. Manonetram means think differently. How can I do this problem? You have to give the technique. I know the answer. Within seconds, I will tell direct. I
So
think the
sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1.
then what should I write next? That's it. See, this is my pen. There is my paper. You are an IIT student. What should I write next?
See.
Of course, you are a 10th standard. No problem. Not even 12th. Okay. If you are 12th and not giving this answer means it is a crime. Okay. So integration of, you said the identity, that is suitable identity only, sin
Sir,
square x plus
if
cos square.
we'll do integration of sine square x,
It is denominator is plus, it is entire term. You can't send one to this side, cos x to that side. That is illegal. Okay. So here we know that it is sin square theta. I am writing sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1.
1.
So sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x.
Yes, sir.
So here I can write 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos x
Hmm.
into dx, and which is equals to, do you know a square minus b square?
Yes, sir.
What
A
is
B
1
same
minus
thing.
cos square?
Sir,
1 minus cos square formula.
so 1 plus cos x plus 1
1
plus
plus
cos x into 1 minus cos x.
1 plus cos x, numerator denominator get cancelled.
Fine, sir. 1 minus cos x.
1 minus cos x into dx. One derivative is x,
X
cos one
cos x
integration is x, cos x integration is minus,
minus
no,
sin.
no, cos x integration is sin x. Sin x derivative is cos x integration is sin x.
Okay.
Okay, it is x minus sin x plus c. Option number 2. So if you do mistake, one might opt this option 1. Okay. Rest two are different. Either option 3, also some student can opt option 3. But option 2 is absolutely right. Option 1 is confusing. It is wrong. The next, matrix matching. The question, the screen is not clear. We can do this matrix matching later only. So can you do the integer number type? So what is the integration of 10 into x power 4 into dx? X power 4 integration. What is integration of x power n into dx?
X power n minus n plus 1 by n.
N plus 1 by
Power
n
n.
plus 1. 10 into x power 5 by 5 plus c.
5.
Okay, it is 2 into
2
x
power
power
x.
5 plus c. So therefore a is equals to 2.
2.
This is the answer. Okay. So now, very good. Matrix matching. Let's take this question in my notebook. Level 2 and 3 problems. So what is the question here? So we have to, it is a good practice problem. Okay, it is a good type of practice problem. How can we find a solution? Integration of, what is this? First a, you have to do all here. The a, it is integration of under root of 1 plus cos 2x into
Yes.
dx. How can we simplify?
So cos 2 theta.
Okay, cos 2
By
theta.
writing down.
How can you do that?
So cos square theta minus sin square theta.
Cos square theta minus
Sin
sin
square
square
theta.
theta. Very good boy. Integration under root of 1 plus cos square theta minus cos square x minus sin square x. Okay.
Sir,
Next.
1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta.
Very good logic. Very good logic. Under root of this one and minus sin square will be cos square, and it is already cos square. So it is 2 cos square x. I am writing a little bit direct step is required. Okay. While
Yes.
revising, you have to think once again. And this becomes to root to get outside. Integration of cos x into dx will come. Okay. It is root
2 sine
root 2 cos x integration is sin x. It is root 2 sin x plus.
sin x plus c.
Very good boy, very good boy. So it is come to here. And you can do this thing 1 minus cos 2x,
Yes.
which is integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus cos 2x is equals to dx is equals to same logic. You are the right one. Sorry, it is not 1 by, it is simple. So it is 1 minus of cos square x minus sin square x
Yes, sir.
into dx. So now it will be simplified as, which is integration of under root of, it is
One minus
sin square x plus 1 minus cos square x. I'm deliberately writing, okay, into dx. So it is integration of, it is sin x, it is sin square x, it is root 2, it is root 2 into sin x into dx, which will be minus root 2 cos x plus c. You have to solve each and everything, but you have to be in such a pace, you should be in such a pace, means you need to follow a good speed. Okay, so how can you think about this under root of 1 plus sin x sin 2x? Integration under root of 1 plus sin 2x. Is there any formula for sin 2x? Ah, think. I got the logic. Think.
Sir, 2 sin a cos a.
Oh, okay. You reached half of the technique. Integration under root of 1 plus 2 sin x into cos x
Cos x.
into next. It's great. But if you go next, what is next?
Root x plus.
No. What is 1?
Sir, x it will become x.
Hmm? No. This is integration under root of sin square x plus cos square x plus
Ah,
2 sin
2
x
sin x
cos
cos
x
x.
dx and
Sin x plus cos x whole square.
whole square. So integration of sin x plus cos x
Cos
into
x
dx.
whole square.
Now a whole square root. Get cancel.
Ah,
Okay. So here it is. See, if you do this problem, your next problem must be free, because sin x integration is minus, cos x integration is sin x.
yes.
So this one is equals to d. So next problem is not like that. The only option is remaining. You have to think there is a 1 minus sin 2x, 1 minus 2 sin x cos x, sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta, which will be
Yes.
integration of sin x minus cos x.
Cos
Okay.
x.
So now sin x minus cos x. Cos x integration is sin x. Okay. Sin x minus cos x or cos x minus sin x. You can take cos x minus sin x also. Okay. So the option will be, the last option could be your QP. Okay. So you need to do all suitable options properly, evaluate it properly. So now it is the 20th one. How can you do the 20th? It is a complicated question. Now you have to use your IIT mind, Olympiad mind. Sin 5x into cos 3x into dx. There is a direct technique. How we have to do? Please provide the answer. So we have to get what is P, what is Q, what is R, and we have to give 1 by 2 plus 1 by Q minus 1 by R. No problem. We will give that. But what is this? It is a proper 12th standard question. You are doing in the 10th only, means in the 9th only. So please provide the next step. How can we do the next? What is this formula? You're on mute.
So sin 5x cos 3x.
What are these?
Cos 2x cos 8x.
Is there any relation between the numbers?
So that is cos 3x formula. I think.
This is sin
So it
C
is cube, na?
cos
2 and 8.
D. Sin C cos D formula. Do you know
Okay.
sin C cos D?
So no.
But these are 8th standard problems. In the 8th trigonometry only I explained in the Olympiad section.
So it is sin of c plus d.
No, 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 no. I will show. I will show. Uh-huh. I will show. Eighth CDF book I have. It is IIT. It's maths. Yeah, because in the trigonometry I explain a lot of problems of sin C plus D, sin C minus D, cos C plus D, cos C minus D. Even with the techniques also, I explained how to remember these identities. That is the most important. It is the most important for a little bit slow learner students. Sets and all. Yeah, trigonometry. Identities. Now the complicated. Yes. What is sin C plus D?
Sin c.
Please tell me what is sin C plus D? A plus B?
Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b.
You know, sin is very good. So that's why
Yes, sir.
he's sweet.
All.
He shares his sweet to cos also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sin is soft. So sit cos. So they sit together. Sin A
Ah,
cos B plus cos A sin B is such a good boy. Plus goes to plus only. Okay. And
yes.
sin calls cos also. Sin is such a good fellow. And simply it is minus. Sin is good. Sin cos sin. Minus is minus. Plus is plus. But cos is bad boy.
Ah,
Cos sit together, sin sit together, and that too latter with minus. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, and cos A minus B same. Cos sit together, and minus becomes plus. Such a narrow bad friend. Okay,
ah.
this cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. You have to remember these four formulas like this. Okay, so next you have these four formulas. Can you see? 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A cos B, 2 sin A sin B. Okay, so you have proper logic also. So 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, so it is totally sin. When sin cos sit together, sin is the leader. Okay, there is a prosperity in the sitting. Sin cos to sit together, sin is a prosperity. Okay, and cos to sit together, and sin sit together, your cos is a bad fellow. Both are causes. Okay,
Ah, yes.
if both signs with negative sign, so we have several options. So so here 2 sin A cos B is equals to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A is first, so both are signs, and one is A plus, one is A minus. If cos comes first, there will be minus here. Here also you can make some story to remember these four identities. So we need sin A cos B, but we don't have that formula here. We need 2 sin A cos B. We have 2 sin A cos B, or 2 sin C cos D is nothing but it is sin C plus D by 2. Okay, and plus sine c minus d by 2. Okay, c minus d by 2. So now please apply here. It is make 1 by 2 is keep it outside. Integration of 2 sine 5c and cos 3c, cos 5x cos 3x into dx. So it will be 1 by 2 a plus b by 2. It is 2. It is a cos 8x by 2. Okay, and plus, sorry, it is a sine 8x by 2. Sine 8x but 8x by 2 plus sine 4x by 2. Am I doing right? Is my formula sine a plus b? Okay, sine a plus b. Oh, there is no by 2. Okay, so it is sine 8x plus sine 4x, sine 2x. It is sine 8x plus sine 2x. So, but he made it is both are cos. Both are cos. How can we write? How can we write it? Both are cos. How can we convert it into cos? If both, either both are sine or either both are cos, then only we have both cos formulas. Okay, it is 1 by 2 outside and 2 sine x cos. Okay, it is again sine a plus b, sine a plus sine c plus sine d. But we don't have such an another. Okay, so with this 10th standard, so you are unable to get this logic. How can we do the next? We need only cos. How sines could be converted into cos? So sin c sin d, if we have it.
So
Okay.
different.
How? Then
So
I think
differential.
both are signs now. Just now we can see, look back our formula. Look back our formula. It is both are signs, but is in the plus. When sign are in the plus, it will be this only. And when the sign are in the plus, we don't have it. Mm-hmm. We don't have. We don't have the logic. Think. What can we do to make it to get cos 2x and cos 8x? There is no. It is sine 5x and cos 3x. Sine c cos d. Both are sine a plus b, a plus b. Sine c plus d plus sine c minus d. C plus d is 8. C minus d is 2. No. How can we convert it into cos logic? We have to make it something number. Something number has to come. Get it. With our basic knowledge only, we have to get the solution. Sin 8x plus sin 2x, sin 8x plus sin 2x. Think. Sin 5x and cos 3x. Okay. Sin cos x. We have to do. It is
So how did you got kinetics?
Hmm?
So kinetics by differentiation we got.
Oh man. See, very good. I am not doing the integration. I written directly. So I am expecting the answer. That is our mistake. It is a common. It is not common. It is very rare people will do this kind of mistake. Okay. It is 1 by 2. Sin x integration is
Cos
minus And
Okay,
its integration is minus
integration
cos 8x
minus cos
by 8. Okay,
by plus
minus sin
again.
sin 2x by 2 into,
Sir, cos.
sorry, it is cos, right? Thank you. Very rare students can do this kind of mistakes. Okay, so next, if you do a little bit, common has to be taken. Outside is minus 1 by 2, keep it outside. Here 1 by 8 into cos, sorry, 1 by 2 into cos 2x, you can write 1 by 2 into cos 2x plus 1 by 8 into cos 8x plus c. So if you compare, your p is equals to minus 1 by 2, q is equals to 1 by 2, r is equals to 1 by 8. So p plus q is 0. It is minus 1 by 8. Okay, the answer is minus 1 by 8, but it is integer. No, it is I will rewrite. The answer is, this is equals to 1 by p. It is 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 1 by 8. So these two, it's a minus 2 plus 2 minus 8 is equals to minus 8. The answer is in integer type. So negative should also, might also come. The answer is minus 8. Okay, so this is the way. But in the IIT exam, if you solve a problem like this, you will not completable. Okay, so totally how many questions will come? I want to revise the syllabus once. Okay, so this is our IIT mathematics website. Okay, so it is sets, relations, complex numbers, quadratic equations, matrices, so on. So here we are doing just integral calculus. It is a very deadly basic. So out of 13 sections, you will get 25 questions. Each question has 3 marks, 75. Okay, 25 or what? So totally 25, and 20 will be MCQ, and 5 will be integer type questions, number type questions. Okay, so please concentrate there. So with this, your worksheet 1 is completed. Let's go to worksheet 2. What is worksheet 2? Can you read the heading?
Methods of integration.
Next, what is the first method?
There are mainly four methods of evaluating integrals by reducing them into integrals of standard form.
Mm-hmm.
Integration by the method of substitution,
Mm-hmm.
integration by method of partial fractions,
Mm-hmm.
integration by parts,
Mm-hmm.
integration by successive reduction.
Successive reduction. So here some term is equals to t, you have to consider, and you have to evaluate the dt and substitute everything in the equation. It will be simplified to another form. Partial fractions means just like what is this? Partial fractions, separating the denominator to numerators. By parts is most important. By parts, here you will see ILATE formula. ILATE. Okay, this is in the form of UV method, just like in the form of integration of f of x into g of x into dx. Which function has to be chosen as f of x first? The other will be g. So if we consider f as first case is inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometry, exponential. So this kind of order will be there, and we have to consider accordingly. So integration of successive reduction means we have to reduce the equation. Okay, so this is chain rule. This is the chain rule or method of change of variable. So f of x, x is in terms of phi of t, something is t has to be considered. So then method of substitution, the first method. So something term will have to be considered as t. You can see. So what is this question? Can you read this question, first one?
Evaluate integration of 2x
Speak
cos.
loudly. Speak loudly.
Evaluate
Evaluate.
integration of 2x cos
Mhm.
of 1 plus x squared dx.
So in generally, what term has to be considered as a new variable? See, cos is okay, cos x is okay, cos 2x is okay, cos 5x is okay. but cos of 1 plus x
X
square is a
square.
complicated.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So here he put 1 plus x square is equals to t.
Okay.
Okay. See, we are learning very basic understanding. If the basics are concepts clear, then everything will be clear. But basic should be pinpoint. This is true means this is true. This is wrong means this is wrong. Okay. You can ask me why this is wrong, why this is right. I will explain with the counter examples. Okay.
Okay.
So next, so here he took 1 plus x square is equals to t. So now he is doing the differentiation with respect to x. Okay. What is x derivative? 1. What is 1 derivative?
Derivative is 0.
0. What is x square derivative?
2x.
2x into dx we have to write. This is
Okay.
differentiation. Okay.
Uh,
And what is t is dt.
dt.
Okay. So here dx is equals to what happens? Your dx is equals to a
1.
2x dx is equals to dt. Simply
Okay.
remember like this 2x dx is equals to dt. And when you come to here, so this substitution is important, this derivative is important.
Hmm.
Okay. So if you see what is this, it is integration. Can you take 2x dx2 as dt and cos 1 plus x square as cos t? Can I write?
T dt.
Here you might confuse. I will rewrite. I will rewrite. I will get back. See here. So what I am doing here, it is 2x is equals to 2x dx is equals to dt. Okay.
Okay.
So implies dx is equals to dt by 2. Write down this step. No problem.
Uh,
Okay. So now LHS. What is your LHS? Left hand side the integration is integration 2x and it is cos t. Convert everything into t's. Cos t. What is dx is equals to? Dx is equals to this dx. You have to replace this dx also. It is dt by 2x. This 2x, this 2x get cancelled and
yes.
integration of cos t into dt will form. Okay. Cos t integration
Cos. Cos.
sin t.
Minus.
Sin
Okay. Integration is sin t.
uh, sin t plus c. And what is t? T is 1 plus x square. The answer is sine of 1 plus x square plus c. That's it. That's your answer. Okay.
Yes.
So it is by substitution, letting some term is equals to t. Okay, or u. So now, if you think very carefully, so here integration e power x by e power x plus 1 into dx. So he took e power x plus 1 is equals to t. No, sir, how he choose? After a lot of practice, you will get this kind of ideas. Otherwise, you don't get. See, while choosing e power x plus 1 is equals to t, in my mind, I have to think what is its derivative, what is its derivative, is there any capturing of derivative with dx or no. So if I took e power x is equal to e power x plus 1 into dx, in my mind, it is automatically run e power x into dx is equals to dt. So this will become dt. So it will be integration of 1 by t into dt, and which is equals to log t, and t already clear, it is log of 1 plus e power x plus. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Here, you have to be a little bit fast. Okay, introvert will not work. Speak up, do mistakes, then only you will get the right things. So now, please, I will not show this. So what is this? I am writing e power integration of e power t square 2t
2t dt.
dt. So what is the term has to be considered as? Already t is there. Don't take t. Take it some.
So t square.
So let u is equals to t square.
T square.
Let u is equals to t square. Here, what happens? Du is equals to, it is 2t dt. This thing is
Yes, sir.
already here. Okay, so therefore it will become e power u simply du, e power x derivative e power x, e power u derivative integration is e power u plus c. So your value will be e power t square plus c.
Blue.
That's it.
Yes.
And the problem e power t square plus c. So
Yes.
now I want to take another problem here. Integration of cos cube cos x cube cos x cube. This is one. Actually, we should not write like this. Whenever the other product is comes, we have to write in front of cos x. Okay. However, parentheses keep mentioned, but still it's a problem. Okay, cos of x cube into x square into dx. It is x square. So now please tell me what thing has to be considered as t. What thing
So
has to
cos
consider
x
to be
cube.
t? Hmm?
So cos x cube.
Which term has to be considered as t? You can't consider entire cos x cube as t.
Sir, x square.
If you take x cube is equals to t, let x cube is equals to t, then
Ah,
while doing differentiation, it is 3x square into dx is equals to dt. And see here, the numbers can do, it's manageable. So the variables combination has to be matched with this accordingly. So therefore, LHS is equals to integration of, it is cos t, it is x square dx is nothing but dt by 3. So you can send 1 by 3 into cos t into dt, which is 1 by 3 sin t plus c. 1 by 3 sin t plus c. Not even sine t, it is 1 by 3 sine of t is x cube. You have to provide the answer in terms of x's only. See, the problem has given in excess, so we can't make in our own variables. Okay, the final answer must be in terms of your x cube. This could be helpful in your 11th board exams also. Okay, so conversion to back is most important. And similarly here he took ax plus b is equals to t, and so on. Simplify, 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 simplify. Okay, there are these are the most important. You should remember, they are the milestone formulas to remember. Okay, so here uh, integration, this is important. Integration f dash x by f of x. See, whenever numerator denominator is there, denominator's functions derivative is in the numerator, then the integration is log f of x into dx, log of this denominator. Okay, and f dash x, f of x whole power n into, if derivative is in the product but power is n, no problem, it's f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And here it is also, it is just simplification of this problem only. So it is a 2 root of f of x plus c. It is a integration f dash x by under root f of x dx is equals to 2 root f of x into dx. Important. Okay, see, these problems you have to solve hundreds and thousands of problems, then only it will be easy, otherwise everything will be tough. Okay, so they are the standard results. Ax plus b whole power n 1 upon ax plus b 1 upon under root of ax plus b e power ax plus c e power bx plus dx. Okay, so a here base is different. Here base is e. Here base is a. Here 1 upon a, but here there is no log a. Log a will come in the denominator. And see, these terms will be on the product. Okay, so all these are formulas of revision only. So these formulas improves of some standard formulas. So see here, integration of tan x is equals to integration of sin x by cos x. Cos x derivative, what is the cos x derivative?
cos x sir minus sin x.
Minus sin x. Okay, cos x derivative is minus sin x. See here,
Yes.
here denominator is cos x into cos x. Its derivative is minus sin x, but
Yes,
we
sir.
have only sin x. Keep one more minus outside into dx. So now here f of x, its derivative is f dash x. Previous formula, it will be minus log f of x, minus log cos x, but minus is there. So it is log of 1 by cos x. And cos x, 1 by cos x is log of sec x. For the safety side, he always used to write sec x with a mod. So this is your formula, plus c. Okay. So these are the standard formulas you have to use, you have to apply and get the answers. And the same from the integration of cot x, same for the integration of sec x, integration of cosec x, everything. These are the 12 standard academic problems, and we'll come back. Okay. So after let me go back to more online student session. So here, it's a 50 minutes. So after taking a break of 10 minutes, I will get back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here students, the integration third class will continue in the next after 10 minutes and we'll get back.